Hello there, my crazy friends. It's me again. That's right, we've got another awesome deal at the Dollar General that you can do today with your 10 off of 40. And I know you want to know. And I know you know. Please leave a comment. Let the video play all the way to the end, please. And like it and share it. Share it to your Facebook newsfeed because everybody needs to save money right now, and everybody truly appreciates what you do for them. So, do a little something special for them and share this video to your Facebook newsfeed, and leave a little notation on there that asks them to share it as well. And that way, everybody gets a little help. All right, guys. Yep, I'm at the laundromat doing my laundry. Well, not doing my laundry, drying my laundry. My dryer's on the fritz. And while I was sitting here, I was thinking, really didn't do a whole lot of laundry deal today because we've been doing a lot of per sale. And I just assume because you're my friends and you follow along that you pretty much purchase the things the way that I do. And so you probably have, like I have. But I was sitting here thinking, what if somebody doesn't and they actually needed some laundry deal today? Well, you already know how to do the per sale deal. We've already talked about that this week. But maybe you don't want to do the per sale. Maybe you'd better do something else. So, here we are. I got us another 10 off of 40 deal that you can do today. And it's going to save you a minimum of 50% off. And that's our goal anymore. Our goal used to be to try to get everything that we purchased for $1 or less. And then it went up to everything we purchased being $1.50 or less. Now our goal is to get everything 50% off. That's what I set out for when I go to make these scenarios. So at least you're getting your items at an affordable price, the price that we were paying, 6 years ago? So, yeah, it's still awesome deals. Now, first off, we're going to start off with that Ritz deal because it is 3 for $9. That's a really good deal on the Ritz crackers, and it's winter, and it's a good stock-up thing, and it's good for any parties or appetizers or anything of that sort that you've got coming up, because we've got Christmas, we got New Year's Day, we got football day, we got just dreary locked up days, that we're going to be eating soup. So this is a great deal because you're going to get 3 of them for $1.12 a piece, something like that. Yeah. Next up, we're going to pick up some Febreze. Now, you can pick, most of the Febrezes is the holiday scents, and they are $2. If you can find that white spruce one, it is $3.50. So, it would be a little bit cheaper. Now, your Arm & Hammer. This is the huge bottle of Arm & Hammer. And it is $14. We have a $4.25 earn back on this. So this huge bottle of Arm & Hammer is going to be like $7 and some change. Next, we've got the Snuggle Fabric Softener with $1.25 off. And now we're going to do personal care. We got 2 different Crest coupons. $3 off when you purchase 2. So we're going to get a Crest $4 mouthwash because it's on sale from $5 to $4, number 1. And then we're going to get a $3 Crest whitening toothpaste. And we're going to get $3 off, which means one of those items is free, blah, 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 blah. And then you have another coupon for $2 off of 1, and you're going to pick up the $3 Crest 3D or Pro Health. Okay? And then you're going to pick up some Palmolive dish detergent because we've got a $1.25 coupon off on that, I believe. No, $1.50. And then our 10 off of 40. This is the math on that. You're at $46.35. Only sales and offers coming off on this is $4.20. So you got plenty. But your coupons was $22.75. That is an awesome amount of savings right there. So your final out-of-pocket is going to be something like $21 and some change. Actually, it's $20.60. And once you get your $4 earn back, your final out-of-pocket is going to be $16.60. And how many items? We've got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 items. And that's a winner chicken dinner deal, guys. So, if you've already gone and you still got some coupons and some change left over, go on back and get this deal. That way, you're stocked up a little bit on your personal care, and you added a little bit more to your stockpile. And not to mention, for the price of what you're paying for all of these items, it's just buying your laundry detergent and your fabric softener, pretty much, in your grocery bill. And then all these items would be like freebies. So blessings, and I'll see you again next video.